Because I don't know what order these are in. I mean, we'll try RGBA. Yeah, okay. Okay, and what does that look like? Blue, red has become blue. So red has become blue. So red has become blue. Right, so something that should be red is coming from the blue channel? Maybe? Okay, that's not too bad. That's it. There we go. Alpha RGB. Yeah, so blue and red got swapped. BGRA. I mean, strictly, and so I guess this means the order is, I mean, I don't know, like, I'm on a little Indian machine. I can't tell what this is meant to mean, how I'm meant to interpret that. I don't know if it actually does it as 32-bit integers, in which case the host system will determine what order this is based off endianness, or if it does treats them as bytes and then has some magic formula to figure out what the order is. I have no idea. Okay. Well, someone should explain why this. That's interesting. Like, is that what I'm doing? No, because I'm keeping the alpha in the last channel. Alpha RGB. I guess, right, I guess this library is, where'd it go? I've lost it. RGBA. This is alpha RGB. I guess the real change is where they're putting their alpha, and there is some endianness nonsense going on, but the real change is where they put their alpha. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Oh yes, this is the image. Very good. Okay. Now the question is, do I want to start on trying to get FFmpeg to render this? Is that the next logical step in our journey here? Sort of. I think the next logical step is calculating damage. But I am having the sun come directly into my face right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a break and pick up after this, after it sets. Well, after it goes behind a building, it won't set for a while. Okay, we're back yet again. And I think I am indeed going to work on getting damage correct. And I think we're going to do that relatively trivially. I think we're just going to do getcha. We'll print some nonsense. We'll even do that. and then we're gonna do resolve damage. Okay, so this should change the image on the screen so that we actually have something to resolve. Okay. I always feel like it's not the first one. I had to recompile FFmpeg when I upgraded my system. Well, upgraded the libraries on it. So the shared objects changed. Damage. That's kind of annoying. Makes sense. Okay. So we can either receive the raw rectangles as a stream of events or have them partially processed within the X server. It's kind of funny how many RFCs this guy's name's on. For rendering operations. Right, I'm thinking of well, I don't know if we're gonna need not that one. Where is it? X rendering. I don't know if we're gonna need that or not. Okay. Whatever, I'm not really interested in that. That's kind of funny though. Xfixes extension. Okay, damage notify. And what's damage report level? Each time the screen is modified. No attempt to compress out overlapping rectangles. Only the changes to that area, not the raw damage data. Oh yeah, we'll have to handle size changes as well. Like, I intend this to just be like throwaway code, but it's not really the same as when we were doing the quote unquote throwaway code for the audio stuff. Although actually we did reuse a decent amount of this. But this really was, can we just open stuff? Yeah, and get some basic information. This is kind of getting to the point where like we're doing the thing, but we're just completely ignoring errors, which is not a good state to be in. But we press on. Yeah, drawable. Whether there are subsequent damage events being delivered immediately or as part of a larger damage region.
Creates a damaged object and monitor changes the drawable. Yeah, we want that. Damage repair synchronously modifies the region in the following manner. If repair is none, if parts is not none, then parts equals damage, or damage is empty. Reports damage of the region within the given drawable. This may be used by direct rendering. Damage posted in this way will appear in the damage notify events as normal, and also appear in server internal damage tracking. Area durable. That's a lot of damage. So do I need to... Like, how do I get the pixels back? Do I need to re-get the image? Wherever that is, somewhere further up. Yeah, do I need to do this stuff again? Like, I can't... Oh. Excuse me. Like, I can't get the damage myself. I just have to tell the X server to... Isn't the X server generating the damage? Okay, what's the API like? User X11. Nope. Include XCB damage. This form can be used only if the request will not cause a reply to generated. Yeah, okay. X fixes region. Interesting. This delivers a request to the server. Oh. So I can tell the X server about damage? Oh, I don't think I need to use this, I think. Shouldn't there be... Yeah, here's the notify event. Geometry, area, time. Like, am I meant to get the geometry and then... No, I don't think I can do that. What's the benefit here? Like, I still need to get the whole image from the server, right? Like, am I just meant to get the damage event and then just get the whole image again? Because that kind of seems like it. Assuming that the drawable is the window, or I don't know if the pix map gets damaged or the window gets damaged. This uses X fixes.